to make a chocolate avocado blender pudding. It's so quick, it's so fast, it's so creamy, and it's vegan. Let's do it! I keep forgetting about it. I'm heading off to cook for 15 sailors again, my side gig as a yacht chef. And I'm always looking for a fast dessert that's also, David, vegan friendly. Always a vegan. And I really wanted to try this chocolate pudding. I tried it. It is delicious.
Delicious.
It's so fast. It's a blender chocolate pudding, if you can believe that. And it is so quick and so rich and creamy. Let's make it. Everything's going in the blender.
Say what?
Yes, David, you following me? We're gonna start off with 2 avocado. And we're just gonna put the flesh of the 2 avocado in the blender. I'm gonna need to crush up. You could do this in a food processor too, David. The blender I just happen to have out, and I like the idea of it being like a blender dessert.
Yeah.
So 2 avocado going in the blender. Worry about this recipe too, is it really does not matter, like the order that you put it in. Then, go ahead and put our vanilla bean in. So I have 1 vanilla bean, and all I'm gonna take is the seeds from this vanilla bean. David, you could also use a vanilla bean paste. Now granted, that has a little bit of sugar mixed in, but it would also be good. I'm gonna split the vanilla bean down the side. Ooh, this one has a lot of seeds, I love that. And then I'm just gonna scrape, this is a nice fresh one. Where'd you pick this up at, David?
The fresh market.
David, not a plug.
Now, why a vanilla bean and not like vanilla flavoring or?
Well, this is just much more natural. I mean, let's face it, we're trying to be like super healthy here. So
Yeah.
instead of it just being like some vanilla bean and vodka. Look at all that. Look at
That
all the
looks
seeds
so
there.
good.
So that's gonna go in. I've got 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Now, use your best cocoa powder here. Like, go ahead and splurge. 3/4 cup of that. 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. Now, granted, this is tangerine juice. We had a party the other night, had a lot of tangerines and plenty of times left over. So I just went ahead and juiced one of them. I've got 1/4 cup of that. I've got 1/4 cup of agave. This is keeping it vegan. Yeah, we could use honey here, but one of the sailors happens to be vegan, so I'm trying to accommodate him. That's going in. Again, everything just going right in the blender.
I love that.
And then we've got 1/2 of a cup of maple syrup. David, this is my husband's uncle's maple syrup.
Wow.
Yes, from his farm in the Midwest.
Oh, so it's got a connection.
Yeah, it's a family syrup. 1/2 cup of that. Again, everything going in the blender. And then I got 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Here's the thing, we should have started a little bit earlier, some hot water.
Oh.
I need some hot water. We're gonna put 3/4 of a cup of hot water in here, and that's gonna be the thing that really kind of blends it all together.
Okay.
And it should not be boiling. Just like the hottest kind of hot water from your tap will be fine. 3/4 a cup of that. Again, all going in the blender. You ready? We're gonna have some pudding soon. It's ridiculously creamy already. Not gonna lie, David and I already had this once today.
We already ate it.
I really want you to see in there. See how creamy that is?
Wow.
This is really, really rich. And the recipe could serve from 6 to 8 people. I think it's more like a 6-person. You're going to refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. I'm not gonna lie, we ate it right out of the blender.
It was good right out.
And it was so good. It is slightly warm, but it's not like a hot pudding. It's very nice after it's been refrigerated a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just divide this up. David, we'll put it in the refrigerator. Let's do a quick cut. I'm gonna grab one out of the refrigerator I made earlier and we'll just finish it off.
Cool.
Okay, so we have 6 servings. 2 of them I put in the refrigerator for 2 hours, just to see kind of the difference and if we liked it better 2 hours or not. I love them both. The 2 hours in the refrigerator definitely set up a little bit. It's definitely colder, but is it better? I don't think so, David. I also whipped up a little bit of whipped cream. For those of you who aren't vegan, just as a nice topping. I mean, you could just dust this with a little bit of cocoa powder if you liked, but I'm gonna do this with just a little beautiful whipped cream, David. And then, of course, some sprinkles, look.
Yeah.
They're the Hey Sailor sprinkles.
Oh.
Just a little bit of sprinkle on top. There you go. One's for you, David. One's for me. You guys, there you have it. It's quick, it's so easy. It's a chocolate avocado blender pudding. And I'm gonna eat some right now. Again, we already ate this one. Oh, what happened with that? Yeah, a little bit of sprinkle. You guys, this is delightful. The recipe is going to be on libbysummers.com. There's a link in the bio. Tag me with your photos. Tell me if you made it. How fast was this? You don't have a refrigerator.
I love it.
I'm going to be able to sugar if I don't like it. There's not much stuff. That's good. That's good. Oh my God, David, I forgot.
Oh.
I want to give him a quick tip on, oh, David, you're filming. I want to do a quick tip. Am I throwing my vanilla bean away? Heck no. I'm going to put it up in my sugar and make some vanilla sugar for baking. I'll just go ahead and cover that with sugar on top of it. And it adds just the nicest extra layer of flavor to all your baking. I love vanilla sugar. That's that easy. Never throw away the bean.